try it like it created. And today I thought we would give a shout out to Scorch Marker and Scorch Paint. I have a stencil on top of one of those chipboard boxes, and I don't know how well it will work on that surface, but I thought, hey, you know what, we'll give it a try. And so my paint looks to be a little thick. I had my design kind of centered in place here, right, and I'm just going to paint on, and we'll see how it works and if it works. I can already tell it's somewhat absorbing into the surface. Now this typically is made to be used on wood, and using this on a cardboard box is just a trial run. See how it goes. All right, let me cover that up, and then we can remove the stencil and see how that worked. It looks pretty nice on there. And then let's apply some heat to it and see if it actually will change on this box. After using the Scorch paint on my box, I went ahead and wiped over it with a baby wipe, and it took off some of the black but left brown in its place, and I kind of like the antique look of it. And so now I am going to coat the top of this with Maker's Magic and gloss. So I'm just going to grab some of this on my brush and coat this so I don't wipe any more of that pattern off the box, and then we'll see how it looks when it dries. To finish off the top of my box, I went ahead and grabbed some flat back pearls from Buttons Galore and More, and they came out of this exclusive box set. It says a box exclusive. This is from a Halloween box. So I've placed these on the center of the flowers of my stencil, and now I'm just gonna put them down in place.